Yo, Zoom Nirvana, MB na naman nga pala to. Ang reviewer na walang tira, men. Kilala nyo na, walang iba kundi ako lang yun. At kung di ka pa nakasubscribe, men, baka naman pwede mong i-click yung subscribe button dyan sa Gedli para at least, men, updated ka sa mga ilalabas natin mga reaction video. At tulad nito, men, ito, inispata natin, men, yung full album ni Philip. Ang title nun, men, ay 7 Sins. So, nandyan, men, sa description yung link ng full live stream natin. Pero sa ngayon, men, isang song ang i-upload natin. So, yun. Let's do this, men. Yun. Nabubuhay ang dugo ng pagiging flip-topan mo. Oh, men, grabe to si ano. Sobrang refreshing siya sa akin kasi, men. Kasi sobrang naiba talaga yung pagtingin ko sa P-pop nang dahil sa mga kanta nila ng SB19, especially to si Philip. Yung Quit, men. Yung Quit. Grabe yun. Patan na natin to, men. Greed. Okay? Malumanay. Okay? Let's go. Let's go.
It's how I made you my
Okay? Men, wait lang ha. Ihahanda ko lang, men, yung bangs ko kasi imuhan to eh. Mga caps, yung mga imo natin dyan, ipaglalabas nyo na. Ready na, ready na? Let's get it.
Even when you chose to go, it's how I put you first.
Wait, men. Parang semi-ballad to eh. Wait.
It's how I made you my everything.
Okay.
Even when you
Chose
chose
to
to
go.
go,
Even when you chose to go, men. Whew.
it's how I put you first.
It's how I put you first again, men. Parang semi... Shoutout po kay Yakon. Wait, mag-eyeliner muna ako. Sige, hintayin ka namin. Whew! Grabe. Parang parang semi-pinalaya na nga niya, men. Tapos, inano pa rin niya, men, sa unahan.
It's how I made you my everything.
You know, it's how I made you my everything, men. It's like, ano yun? The best thing about tonight that we're not fighting. Parang ganun eh.
Even when you
Even when you chose to go.
chose to go, it's how I put.
It's how I put you first again, men. Pinili na nga nung babae, men, na umalis. Pero itong si Philip, yung priority niyo sa kanya, men, binalik na naman, parang nagano siya, men eh. Parang yung onting, halimbawa, pinalaya mo na nga siya, tapos na-realize nung babae na mali pala yung ginawa ko. Tapos ito namang si Philip, parang sa sobrang mahal niya, priority ka agad kita, men. Parang ganun. Men. Woo!
You first again. Even when greed is all you.
Even when greed is all you know. Men, greed. Woo! Men, dapat maging screamo na lang to eh. Wow! Take my love away! Dapat ganun na lang eh. Ang sakit ito sa puso, men. Woo!
Even when you chose to go, it's how I put you first again.
Men, parang ito yung magiging paborito ko na. Dami ko ng paborito, no? Magiging ano na naman to, men. Ache, para sa akin, number 1. Sa kanta ni Philip, ha? Feeling ko ito yung magiging number 2, men, para sa akin.
Even when greed
Or
is
baka
all
mag-number
you
1.
know, you made me believe it. Believe everything's going to be okay. For years I've been waiting.
Men, sabi nga dun sa kanta, so what's the point in all of this. You will never change. Tapos sabi naman ni Philip, men, you chose to go pero I put you first. Woo! Men,
Have faith in worth saving. My love for you. My love for you. You make me believe it. Still meant nothing for you. My love for you. My love for you. You make me believe it. Still meant nothing for you.
men, I did it all for you. But you will never change. The day have passed, the weather's changed. Could I be sorry? Men. Sarap gawa ng remix nito, men. Typecast, Will You Ever Learn? Tapos samahan mo ng Greed.
Make me believe it. Still meant nothing for you.
Still I made you my everything, man.
Guess I was kicking it and open
Guess I was kicking at the unopened door, man.
door. Shouldn't say now the lies. We both know you've been lying to me. So
We both, we've been lying to me.
like it killing myself. How to get mad at water's flowing. Natural disasters left me broken. I tried to fix the pieces on my heart, but you keep tearing it apart, and I keep blaming you. In the end, I guess I am a fool. I want to believe it. Believe everything's going to be okay. That these years were worth waiting. It wasn't worth saving.
It wasn't worth saving. Men, sa mga hindi pa, or I think naabutan nyo to, men. Sabi nga doon ni Popoy, men, kay Basha, she loved me at my worst. You had me at my best. Pero binaliwala mo lang lahat ng yon, men. You know what I'm saying? Woo. Men, kape muna tayo. Grabe yon.
My love for you. Now my love for you. You make me believe it. Still meant nothing for you. My love for you. Now my love for you.
10 years from now, ganito pa rin kaya tayo. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, forever and never. Promise? Sabi ni Basha. Promise. Pero nagkahiwalay sila, men. Woo! Balik natin, men. Balik natin. Balikan natin yung sakit.
Now my life for you. You make me believe it. Still meant nothing for you. My love for you. Now my love for you. You make me believe.
Sabi nga doon, sabi kay Popoy, men, nung nasa ospital siya, kaya naman tayo iniiwan ng mga taong mahal natin kasi baka may bagong darating na mas okay. Yung tipong taong hindi ka sasaktan at paasahin. Yung taong nandyan palagi sa'yo at para sa atin. Parang ano la, freestyle na lang yun. Nalimutan ko na yung linya ni Idol John Lloyd eh. Pero men, let's go. Kailangan natin tong kayanin men.
My love for you, no, my love for you. You make me believe it, still meant nothing for you.
Ang sarap gawa ng ano to, background, yung parang kay Papa Dudut, yung dito sa pahuli na wala na siyang kanta, no? Yung parang tipong, muli na namang nagmahal ang ating caller na si Mark. Parang ganun eh. Woo! Oh man. Grabe yun. Grabe yun, men. Next na tayo, men. Kailangan natin mag-move on. Parang ginawa ni Basha kay Popoy at ni Popoy kay Basha. Naging maglalasing si Popoy nun, men. Kung natatandaan nyo pa doon sa mga kaidaran ko, men. Classic yun.